Welcome to our factory plant. This is our CNC workshop. Now we have 18 experienced workers, including 3 engineers, and BFL now has 11 world's most advanced grinding machines, such as EZOC from Germany, as well as high precision machine like TTB. TTB offers application technology for tools in diameter range from 20 micron to 60 millimeter. And also 2 water machines with 26 spindle power. BFL now has 3 inspectors to make sure each product is under the tolerance control. We have inspection instruments like PG1000 and also the PARLEC.